Hello all, today I'm going to go over my video plan for the near future. The main priority is going to be one long form video per month. The secondary priority will be a live stream every 2 weeks on Fridays at about 7 p.m. Regina time. The lowest priority will be 1 to 2 videos uh, per week showing a simple thing in an open source software. It's similar to my very early videos doing one thing in KiCAD, which were quite successful. The long form videos are going to be like my evaluation / testing videos or the design videos that came before. Um, let's take a look at those previous videos. Let's get started. Now, just as a reminder, this is what the power supply schematic looks like. So, as it turns out, I don't expect the results of the AC waveform to be any different than the old version, and those results you can see. So, I always check it with the multimeter in case it is higher and it would fry out my 83 and possibly my computer. Let's see what happens when we load it. Now this is at 91. Now there may also be some videos later this winter doing some in-depth physics calculations just to get back to my roots a bit. Like an analysis of the forces on affecting a grain bin or the breaking point of a floor joist. The floor joist one actually comes from because my house has an open web floor joist, and I just want to explore why that is stronger than just a standard floor joist. Then the secondary priority, as I said, is one live stream every 2 weeks. Think of the circuit simulation in my most recent video doing live algebra problems. This will exclude May and June, as well as mid-August till mid-October. May and June is for seeding, and mid-August till mid-October is for harvest. Let's take a look at my some clips from my previous live streams. I think we should just get started here now. Now, it's just a regular old transistor, so I'm guessing they are wanting us to figure out what's going through this right here, this current right here. What current would be going into the base and driving this here? Okay, we can disregard what I just said more so. So what they are doing is they're going to say, okay, there's 8.2 volts burnt up here. So that means that there's only 1.8 volts or so here. So we would lose about a diode drop here. So it's 0.6 volts. So 1.8 volts, 1.2 volts. So we would have just under a milliamp here. Let's see and try it out here. Yep. Well, a little bit less, 684. Lastly is my short how-to videos, which I said like 1 to 2. I'm going to target 2 every week. It's going to be a very short, quick video, so showing a single thing. These were my best performing videos, and most of them are made 3 years ago, and they still get like 100 views per day or so, some of them. And the reason I made them is because I was learning KiCAD, and I wanted to make, like, when I Google something and I know enough of the software, I am in it, and I don't need a whole tutorial on it. I just want to know how to do one thing. And that's what these videos did, is they showed just one thing instead of a whole tutorial that I would have to seek or sift through or whatever. Now, I am okay with KiCAD now, and I don't really want to do any more on that one, but my video editing software, KDN Live, and the 3D CAD software I've been using are also both open source softwares, and I want to get more in depth with the possibilities of using them. So I'm going to do some videos with them. Let's take a look at those previous videos. First, we go to our layers here, and I always select the layer I want, which is the back copper layer. So now it's selected there. And now I go to this button here that says add a filled zone. Press it. And then you click where you want to start drawing your thing, your ground plane, and you click. Okay, now that the ground plane is drawn, I will press B to fill all the zones. Well, that's it. Thank you. And just be aware that this is like sort of an aspirational list. The main priority will be that one video per month, and I'm going to try and be very strict on it for myself. The other two will be a bit more loosely followed. But anyways, thank you, and I hope you enjoy the future of the channel.